raging stars poured from darkened skies above. I rushed inside a cozy cafe, escaping the downpour's throes. Glancing around, I spied a secluded corner nook, and there within its shelter, Legum's virtues I plied. Legum, the Swedish ethos so wise, reveals tranquility, each new day can a prize. No rushing, dragging night, like a gentle flowing rill, calms thought and emotions, restless and willful. Both companions soon joined, cinnamon bun in hand they came, conversing for hours it seemed, caught in the spell of the same. The artwork on walls and scenes, from nature outside, helped Legum's serenity permeate deep inside. Legum, the Swedish ethos so wise, reveals tranquility, each new day can a prize. No rushing, dragging out, like a gentle flowing rill, calms thought and emotions, restless and willful. With perpetual daylight the summer sky spills, Legum's life's rhythm profound and instilled. All we love and cherish close to heart we press, with ease and sincerity, move sternness and finesse. Legum, the Swedish ethos so wise, reveals tranquility, each new day can a prize. No rushing, dragging night, like a gentle flowing rill, calms thought and emotions, restless and willful. Oh, in this nature while longer I'll sit and stay, absorbing Legum's gifts as daylight fades away. Each warming cup with spirits buoyant and light, till dusk envelops Legum's haven of respite.